Hello, I'm Pro, the lucky mascot of curry and spices Ranju's own. Keep watching.
So today I am making Methi chicken or fenugreek chicken or Methi murg, whatever you call it. This one, trust me, one of the simplest chicken recipes ever. So let's begin. First we will make a masala mix, for which I am using half cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of chilli powder. Well, this is the only time that I am going to use spice. I am not using green chilli or anything of that kind. So you can adjust chilli powder according to that. Then last, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's mix all of this well and keep it aside. Now in the pan goes 2 tablespoons of oil. Instead of oil, you can use ghee or 1 tablespoon each of ghee and oil. That's your choice. Once the oil heat up, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 bay leaves and saute for a second. Now add 1 onion that is finely chopped and a little salt and saute till it becomes golden in color. Once the onion turns golden brown in color, I will add the masala mix. Mix this and cook this on a high flame for at least a minute or till it starts releasing oil on the sides. Once the oil starts releasing the sides, I am adding 800 grams of chicken pieces. This is the chicken which is a curry cut. With this, I am adding fresh fenugreek leaves or our methi leaves, picked, washed and strained. Mix all of this together and allow this to cook on high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we will add half a cup of water, and this is only to ensure that the chicken gets cooked and the masalas should not get burnt. If you want a curry, then add more water. Adjust salt as per need. Now cover this and cook on low flame for 5 to 8 minutes or the chicken is nice and beautifully tender. You can convert this into a gravy or a semi-gravy, that is a complete personal choice. If you want like this, you can switch off the flame now. Today I am making this as a semi-gravy dish. So for that we have to roast for 2 to 3 minutes more. With this, our methi chicken is ready. Switch off the flame. Let the steam settle for 10 minutes. Then we will serve. This will goes with naan, roti, ghee rice or anything of your choice. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curry and Spices Ranju Zone. Bye bye.